guys, so today I'm going to be doing something really exciting. I'm going to be reviewing the new concealer from Tarte Cosmetics. This is the new Radiant Shape Tape Concealer. I also got the primer, but we're not going to use that today because I just want to use something that I've used many times underneath this to see how I like it. This claims to be just that, a radiant concealer, just not in the heavy full coverage concealer formula of their first two. So I will be completely honest, I am not a huge fan of Tarte's original formula or the creamy. The creamier I like more than the original, but I still feel personally that they're too heavy for me. I am more of a medium concealer girly. Now by all means, if you are someone that loves a full coverage foundation, a full coverage concealer, like 100%, awesome, you keep doing you. They have great concealers for that. So today I have nothing on my face except some fallout from the glitter that I've wore today. We're gonna try this out. So the first thing I'm gonna do is prime the face with something easy to prime with. So I'm gonna be going in with the silicone-free priming moisturizer from Good Molecules. This is one of my favorites. So sometimes I just don't want like a full coverage concealer, and or I just don't want to wear foundation for the day. So I like a medium coverage concealer because you don't have to blend it into anything. So you can wear just the concealer alone if that's what you want, which I love to do. I got the shade 22N Light Neutral. If you are new here, hello, my name is Josie, and I hope you will stay and subscribe and join the GLAMFAM. If you have any requests, put them down in the comments below. Let's get into the demo and review. Here are what my bags are like. I have pretty bad bags under my eyes, and I just think I've always had them. I've kind of gotten used to them, and I don't need to cover them completely because I usually do set my concealers with a powder, even if they're light coverage, just because I don't want them to like sit in my fine lines or get gunky or flaky anywhere. So I just like to set it down. We're gonna do one eye at a time so you can see like the difference. So I'm just gonna do a little there, and then a little out here, just like that. And I am going to actually blend it out with my finger. Ooh, it is considerably lighter than the original formulas. But it still looks beautiful. So this is supposed to be a radiant finish once it sets. Look at that, guys. Look at that. It's a medium coverage, but it still looks great. Let me just blend this out. And then I'm just going to bounce some Laura Mercier translucent setting powder over top of it with a beauty blender. You don't need much. Just make sure that it's kind of rubbed into the sponge before you go in and set, because then you know that it's going to be an even application. It's literally gorgeous. Let's do the other side. was actually scared that this was going to be a little too dark for me, but it blends out almost perfect. Because sometimes I don't really want that like very brightening effect with my concealer. And this one's almost my like exact skin shade. Blend it out. Let's set that down the same way we did before. Just a little bit. Look at that, guys. That is a pretty big difference. It almost looks full coverage, just not the feel of it, which is amazing. So these are my results. Great for everyday wear. And honestly, the Shape Tape, the Radiant one, launched literally today. It is Sunday, the 4th. I really, really like it. I might get it in a lighter shade when I do want more of a brightening effect. But it speaks for itself. It's literally a beautiful formula. I really actually love it. So, this is Josie approved. Anyway, guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you did, please don't forget to hit that like button. It really does help the channel out when you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and leave comments down below. I like to always say, where are you watching from? I'm from Michigan. Leave where you're from down below in the comments. And I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you guys. Mwah!